7 natural drinks to lower blood sugar. Coffee. Coffee contains phytochemicals that can protect your liver and pancreas and enhance your glucose metabolism. However, avoid adding too much sugar or cream to your coffee. Black tea. Black tea has phytochemicals that can improve insulin resistance and reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. It also has a lower caffeine content than coffee. Brew it with fresh leaves and avoid adding sugar or milk. Green tea. Green tea has a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which can boost insulin action and glucose uptake. It also has a mild caffeine effect and can reduce inflammation. Drink it hot and without any sweeteners. Fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds are rich in fiber and amino acids that can slow down carbohydrate digestion and stimulate insulin production. Soak 10 grams of fenugreek seeds in hot water overnight and drink the water in the morning. Ginger lemon tea. Ginger and lemon are both anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic. They can help your cells use glucose more efficiently and detoxify your liver. Boil some water and add fresh ginger and lemon juice. Drink it warm or cold. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, which can inhibit starch and sugar digestion and lower blood sugar spikes.